The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 has arrived, and it's packed with plenty of upgrades. At first glance, it looks almost the same as the Galaxy Z Flip 5, but don't be fooled. There are some exciting changes under the hood. From new features to better specs, there's a lot to explore. Whether you're thinking about an upgrade or jumping into the world of foldables for the first time, you might be wondering, what does Flip 6 offer that Flip 5 doesn't? Let's find out. Now in its 6th generation, the Galaxy Z Flip series keeps getting better. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is a bit thinner than the Z Flip 5, just 0.2 millimeters slimmer when folded. This small change might not be very noticeable unless you need that extra bit of space in your pocket or purse. What's more impressive is the larger battery. The Z Flip 6 comes with a 4,000 mAh battery, an upgrade from the Z Flip 5's 3,700 mAh. This means you can expect up to 2 hours more battery life for browsing and 3 hours longer for watching videos. Despite the bigger battery, the weight remains the same at 187 grams, and the screen sizes haven't changed either. The Z Flip 6 still offers a 3.4-inch outer display and a 6.7-inch inner display, but there are more exciting updates. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 includes some cool Galaxy AI features. For example, the new interpreter mode lets you type on the inner display and shows the translated text on the outer display, making it easy to communicate in different languages. Adaptive wallpapers powered by AI change based on the time of day and weather, adding a personal touch to your phone. You can also use widgets on the front display to see notifications, check updates in the Samsung Health app, control music, or even reply to messages without opening the phone. AI-powered suggested replies make messaging quick and easy. For all the photo enthusiasts out there, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 has a treat, a 50-megapixel wide-angle main camera. This is a big upgrade from the Z Flip 5's 12-megapixel lens. On paper, this means better resolution and more detailed photos, especially for selfies. While megapixels alone don't determine camera quality, Samsung's combination of proven camera tech and AI enhancements should make a noticeable difference. The new visual engine aims to capture detailed portraits and other shots, while AI features like edit suggestions, generative edits, and instant slow-mo provide more ways to customize your photos. FlexCam is back with an added auto-zoom feature that detects the subject and finds the best frame for the shot. The Z Flip 5 has some AI tricks, but the Z Flip 6 takes it up a notch. In terms of durability, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the first foldable phone with an IP48 rating, making it dust-resistant and protected against solid objects as small as 1 millimeter. This is a step up from the Z Flip 5's IPX8 rating, which only covered water resistance. The Z Flip 6 also boasts an Armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2, enhancing its durability. Design-wise, the Flip 6 shares much with the Flip 5 but adds more color. The entire frame now reflects your chosen color, including the back panel, sides, hinge, and camera rings. New colors like yellow, silver, shadow mint, and blue join the lineup, along with exclusive Samsung colors like black, white, and peach. Under the hood, Flip 6 is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 12 GB of RAM, compared to Flip 5's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and 8 GB of RAM. This upgrade means better processing power, energy efficiency, ray tracing for gaming, and advanced AI features. Plus, Flip 6 is equipped with a vapor chamber for improved cooling, helping it handle demanding apps and games without overheating. Overall, Flip 6 offers several enhancements that make it a compelling choice over the Z Flip 5. With the new Flip 6 launching, you might be wondering if it's worth the upgrade. Here are 2 key things to consider before buying this flagship phone. First, consider the Flip 6 if you want a better camera. While this model is an iterative upgrade, its camera is a significant improvement. The main camera jumps from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels, offering 2x optical zoom and AI-powered zoom up to 10x. The FlexCam also gets an update with features like auto zoom, which automatically adjusts the framing by detecting the subject and zooming in or out for the best shot. Second, if you're excited about AI features, Flip 6 fully integrates Galaxy AI. The new 3.4-inch Flex window offers new widgets and notification options, letting you reply to text with AI-suggested replies without opening the phone. The AI-powered wallpaper option changes in real time based on the time and weather, and can even analyze your chosen wallpaper to suggest clock placement and frame color. On the other hand, you might stick with the Flip 5 if you're waiting for a bigger upgrade. While the Z Flip 6 has some exciting new features, the Z Flip 5 already made significant advancements in performance and hinge design, making it feel more like a solid smartphone than a device split in two halves. Plus, with the new model out, the Z Flip 5 is now $100 cheaper, starting at $1,000, and you might find even better deals. So, what are your thoughts on Samsung's latest flagship? Which one do you think is the better choice? Let us know in the comments, and for more updates, check out our channel. See you in the next video.